Good morning, KG1. How are you today? Today we're going to review together the sounds, numbers, and shapes that we have already studied during this week. Can you remember with me what was the first sound that we took? Yes, it is the sound J. Very good, clever. Very clever, KG1. Now, let's remember together what was the story of the J. There was this little girl whose mother did a surprise for her. She made her some jelly. Can you see the jelly here on the plate? So when the mother was taking it to the table, the jelly would start wobbling or dance on the plate. The girl would do the same like the jelly, and she would say j, j, j. So what sound did the girl do? Yes, j. Very good. So the girl was very happy with this, and she started to sing. She said, jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. Let's listen to the song together.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j.
Very good. So what sound is this, KG1? Yes, it's J. This is the big J, or the capital one, and this is the small J. The name of the letter is J. However, whenever we say it, what sound shall we do? Yes, J. Very good. Now, let's see what words start with the sound J. The first one we have is a jacket, so it's J, jacket. The next one is jellyfish, J, jellyfish. We also have jump, J, jump. There is jet, J, jet. And the last word we have is juice, J, juice. Let's say them again. Jacket, jellyfish, jump, jet, and juice. Very good. Now, we want to write the sound J. How can we do that? Do you remember how many lines do we have? We have 3 lines. This is our upper line, the middle line, and this is the bottom line. Now, to write the capital J, what do? We're going to start from the upper line, doing a straight line down. Then we're going to do a curve up, and then on the upper line we're going to do a line across. Very good. Now let's do the small J. Here we're going to start from the middle line down with a straight line, then a curve up, and then we're going to do a dot. Very good, KG1. So now we have learned the sound J. We've read the story, we listened to the song, we saw what words start with the J, and we have written it. Now let's move on to the next sound. What other sound did we study this week? Yes, it was the Z sound. What was the story behind this Z? There was this little girl. She was in the garden and she was looking at all the flowers, and all of a sudden she saw this bee, and she heard a Z sound. So what sound did the girl hear? Z. Very good. The girl was very excited and she started to sing. What did she say? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. So let's listen to the song together.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
So what is the sound, KG1? Yes, it's Z. This is the big Z, or the capital one, and this is the small Z. The name of the sound is Z. The name of the letter is Z. However, whenever we say it, what sound shall we do? Yes, very good. Z. Now, let's see what words start with the sound Z. Yes, I know you know this one. It's zebra. Z, zebra. The next one we have is zigzag, so it's zigzag. We have zipper, zipper. We have the number 0, zero. We also have zoo. So let's review them together. Zebra, zigzag, zipper, 0, and zoo. Very good. Now, we want to write the sound Z. How can we do that, KG1? Can you do it with me? Let's do it together. So for the capital Z, we're going to start on the upper line. We're going to do a line across to the right. Then we're going to do a slanted line down to the left. And then on the bottom line, a line across again to the right. Very good. Now what about the small z? We're going to start on the middle line with a line across to the right, then a slanted line down to the left, then line across on the bottom line. That's very clever, KG1. You're all very clever. So now we have reviewed together the sound j and the sound z. Now let's move over to the numbers and shapes that we have learned. The first number that we learned together was 15. So what is this number? Yes, 15. 1 and 5 is 15. So let's count together 15 balls. Here is ball number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. So how many balls do we have? 15. So what is this number, KG1? Yes, it's 15. Now to write the 15, how can we do it? We're going to write a 1, which is a line down. Here's the 1, line down. Then we're going to do the 5, line down, curve to the right, and then across on the top. Very good, KG1. Now we took another number, which is 16. 1 and 6, 16. Now let's count together 16 strawberries. Here is number 1. Can you count with me? Let's count together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. So how many strawberries do we have here? Yes, it's 16. Now, we want to write the number 16. How can we do that? We will write the 1 straight line down, then we're going to write a 6. A big curve to the left, then a small curve. Let's do it again. It's a 1 straight line down, then the 6. A big curve to the left, then a small curve. Very good, KG1. So now we review together numbers 15 and 16. Let's move over to the shapes. Who can remember what is this shape? It is called, yes, very good, it's a crescent. What is it? It's a crescent. It looks like the moon. It's a crescent. The moon actually looks like a crescent. So what is this shape again? Crescent. Very good. What about the color? Is this color green? No. Is it blue? No. What is it? Yes, very good. It's white. No color. It's white color. Very good. Okay, so this was the shape. Now, let's move over and let's practice some addition. Okay, first, who can tell me, what is this sign? Yes, very good, you're all very clever. It's a plus sign. Plus. And what about this one? Very good, it's equal. So here we have the plus and the equal. Very good. Now, let's practice some addition. Here, this is the plus and the equal. First, we're going to add some oranges. So how many oranges do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 oranges. We're going to add one more. So it's 3 plus 1. How will we do that? 3 plus 1. Yes, very clever. We're going to count them all together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Very good, KG1. Now next, let's count. How many fingers do we have here on this hand? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. We're going to add 3 more. Let's count. How many are here? 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equals how many? How can we do that? Yes, very good. We're going to count them all together. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals how many, KG1? Very good. 8. Now the last exercise. Here, how many cups do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 cups. We're going to add how many more? Yes, very good. Let's count these. How many cups here? 1, 2. So it's 4 plus 2. How can we do that? 4 plus 2. You're very clever. We're going to count them, add them all together. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals how many? Very good, equals 6. Very good, KG1. You're all very clever. I'm very proud of you. Okay, so this was the end of today. We reviewed together the sounds, the numbers, shape, and we practiced some addition. I'm going to leave you now, KG1. I'm going to say goodbye and see you all next week with a new revision. Thank you, KG1. Goodbye.